going to try to cross the country in less than 48 hours. We're about halfway there. These brand new 2014 Audi TDIs. The first tank was 43. This one looks like it's about 46 on the A6 and A7s. Even the Q5 TDI, huge crossover, rated 31 highway, it's punching out 40 miles per gallon right now. They're smashing it. And we're still meeting our time targets. We're about maybe 15 minutes ahead of schedule, so that's why we're kind of moving. Great Shell opportunity to sponsor us so we could come in, come out, credit cards go in, boom, they're gone. Audi, of course, bringing the brand new 2014 Super Diesels is what I'm going to call them. Sport sedans like no other. Beautiful ride, wonderful comfort, all the amenities you can imagine, and great fuel economy, and they'll still drive like a bat out of hell if you want to. A lot of good team members here, a lot of world record holders, and they're all doing a really great job in all the vehicles.
Let's roll it, baby!
All downhill now. We climb the mountains, it's just an easy ride, right? Yeah, right. Now the traffic comes. We'll be handling it, though.